Let's look at this problem. So ABC is an equilateral triangle and a circle is touching intersecting this triangle at 6 different points P, Q, R, S, T, U, and it is given that AU is equal to 2 and PU is equal to 10 and PC equal to 1, ST equal to 5. Then find length of RQ. So this is what we have to determine here. So it is given that AU is 2, so AU is equal to 2, PU is equal to 10, PC is equal to 1. So with this I can determine AC. AC is equal to AU plus PU plus PC. So which is 2 plus 10 plus 1. So what is this? 13. The side of equilateral triangle is 13 units. So AB equal to BC equal to 13. So this is 1. And then now we'll use length of the tangent and power of a point. So using power of a point, so this line is meeting the circle at two distinct points U and P, and again from A it is meeting at T and S. So if I draw a tangent from A, so to the circle, and another tangent, so these two tangents will be of equal length. So the length of the tangent square is equal to AU into AP. From A we are looking AU into AP, which is same as AT into AS. So AT we don't know, so AT is equal to, let's say, X. AS will be AT plus TS, so which is X plus 5. AU we know, right? AU is equal to 2. AP also we know, AU plus UP, so which is 2 plus 10, 12. So 2 into 12 is equal to X into X plus 5. So this is 24 is equal to x square plus 5x. So x square plus 5x minus 24 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 and minus 8. So anyway minus 8 is not our answer, only x equal to 3, because this one should not be negative. So we got AT as 3. So now AB is nothing but AT plus TS plus SB. AT is 3 plus TS is 5 plus SB is AB is 13. So SB is equal to 13 minus 8, which is 5. So I got SB equal to 5. So again, from if I use length of tangent from B, so length of tangent from B is equal to BS into BT, which is equal to BR into BQ. So BR, RQ, CQ, nothing we know, right? So we can assume first BR is equal to, we'll assume it as P, RQ is equal to Q, and QC equal to R. So now BS is 5, that is what we got here. So 5. BT is BS plus ST. BS is 5, ST is also 5. So 10 is equal to, what is BR? BR is P. BQ is nothing but BR plus RQ. So P plus Q. So let's say this is equation 2. And then again from C, length of tangent square is equal to CQ into CR, which is same as CP into CU. So what is CQ? CQ we are assuming as R. CR is Q plus R, which is equal to CP is given as 1. CU is CP plus PU. CP plus PU is 11. So this is 3. So using 2 and 3 we have to solve P plus Q plus R, BC is equal to P plus Q plus R. So P plus Q plus R is equal to 13. So Q plus R is 13 minus P, and P plus Q is 13 minus R. So if I substitute this here in equation 2, 50 is equal to P into 13 minus R, and 11 is equal to R into 13 minus P. So this is 50 is equal to 13P minus PR. 11 is equal to 13R minus PR. So if I subtract these two equations, 39 is equal to 13 into P minus R. So P minus R is equal to 3. So P is equal to R plus 3. So substitute here or here, anywhere. So 11 is equal to R into 13 minus P. So R into 13 minus what is P? P is R plus 3. So R into 10 minus R is equal to 11. So 11 is equal to 10R minus R square. So R square minus 10R plus 11 is equal to 0. So if I find the roots of this, so if I rearrange it to perfect square, 2 into 5 into R plus 5 square minus 5 square plus 11 is equal to 0. So this is R minus 5 whole square, 25 minus 25 plus 11 minus 14. So R minus 5 whole square is equal to 14. So R is equal to 5 plus or minus root 14. So P will be R plus 3. So what is R? R is 5 plus or minus root 14 plus 3, right? So 8 plus or minus root 14. So now if I see one value, so R is equal to 5 plus root 14. P is 8 plus root 14, right? So P plus Q plus R should be equal to 13. So it will be P plus R is 13 plus 2 root 14 plus Q is equal to 13. So Q is equal to minus 2 root 14. So 8 plus root 14, 5 plus root 14 are not acceptable. So R should be 5 minus root 14. P should be 8 minus root 14. Then P plus Q plus R is 13. So which is 13 minus 2 root 14 plus Q is equal to 13. So Q is equal to 2 root 14. So the length of RQ is equal to 2 root 14, and we got BR also. So BR is P. P is 8 minus root 14, and CQ also we got. So CQ is R, 5 minus root 14.